Okay, so I was saying, as my customer calls me, and then my video cuts out because he called. Anyway, so like I was saying, yeah, anyway you have, whether it's electrical or plumbing going through the studs, you have to put those metal protective plates. See, on the corner I doubled up. I mean, obviously I'm the one that's going to be installing the drywall, so I know where everything's at. You know, plus I took measurements, especially in here, to ensure that I can screw the drywall here, there, and then right below it. Same thing here and here once I put the drywall up. But as you can see, I protected them all the way across. And that ensures that, like I said, you don't have any issues. You don't end up screwing right into the pipe, causing a leak behind the wall, and you're going to have problems later. So this is how you rough, like I said, plumbing inside of stud walls, and by utilizing existing supply lines like this one and just tying into them. And also, once you do that, you want to make sure that you do your pressure testing. That's why this wall is still open. I mean, this was done like a couple of weeks ago, a few weeks ago, but still no leaks. And if you know you're not going to be doing it, attaching the utilities right away or the fixtures, you end up capping off the ends like this. This is more a permanent one, but I just found out they had these, the shock bite caps that are reusable, which is great because that way there you can reuse them for the next job. Also, you can see that in order to mount these in between the studs, they have this kit or this bracket that's adjustable from side to side. You screw it into the wall. It's got these clamps that hold these in place, which is excellent. Because, like here, I didn't have to do that because everything was going to be right here by the studs, so I just ended up clamping it with a little brace or a spacer. This one I clamped right here, so this is there, you know, doesn't move afterwards. All right, what else? Oh, here I'm gonna make a cutout access door like this. It goes right across here, up and across. Why? Because this right here, this tub is for the other bathroom on the other side. That's going to be another project, tearing out that whole bathroom and redoing it. And this tub is getting replaced with a new tub that has a pump system that will circulate the water and keep it at a certain temperature, whatever you choose. So we need access to the pump mechanism that's going to be right here on this side. The bathroom faces that way. The entrance of the bathroom is through this side. So, and then once that's finished there, you're not going to be able to have access. So we're going to make an access door here, which part of it is going to be, I mean, it's just going to be make it by the vanity, because this is going to be the end of the vanity where my mark is at 29 plus a ½ inch. So right there, and the door is going to be right there. So that door will be, it's going to open downwards like this, either down or up. I haven't decided yet. So you can get there. Also, you see blocking. Always use blocking. This blocking is going to be for the vanity back, so I can screw into it. One's going to go into the stud, and the other one's going to end up somewhere over here. You can see that for this one, I don't need blocking because I have these two studs right here. All right, I'm going to go on the other side and show you some other roughing that I did for the shower. Okay, so this is behind the shower, and this is actually through a bedroom closet, guest bedroom closet, and this is the plumbing that I redid to add a separate controlled rain shower system. All right, so this is the main one. Okay, so you have your hot coming in on this side here, and your cold coming in on this side here in this big pipe, and then I had to repipe everything to make sure that it worked like it's supposed to. And these are arresters that take the air to keep the pipes from knocking. So this is the actual shower head. Okay, original shower. As you see, it goes right out there. So when you open this, okay, it sends that, whether it's cold or hot, we'll send it up here to the shower head, but on that shower head, we're going to have like a little valve to shut it off at the shower head. Then it's going to tee off and send it down here, which this is the input of that other valve. It's a single valve. And then out from there, it will come out, okay, and go straight up to the rain shower fixture or head. That goes up into the ceiling, goes across, and then comes back down over there. And I'll go ahead and show you how, what that looks like. This here, like I said before, there's not much lighting in here, so can't get a good picture, but you get the gist of it. The piping used to come straight down like this, go up, come out up. This one used to come down like this and then come back up again. Matter of fact, I reused some of that. This here I reused, but everything else I had to redo to get it to work like it needs to. Basically, it's so that they have the option of using the shower head only or the rain shower head, and you can isolate both of them. So let's go over there and I'll show you that. Okay, so here's the rain shower output. Right now it's just a dummy pipe. The real one is going to be put in there after that patch right there is finished, which my friend is going to do himself. Save some cost. But anyway, here is the diverter for the original shower. That's going to control this shower head right here. That's going to come out over here. This one on the right, okay, is going to control the rain shower. And you can see there's a handle here for that. There's the shower head with the little valve right there, so that you'll be able to isolate the shower head. There's the valve. There's a cover plate for that one. This one is just going to get a small little cover plate that, like this valve, will be in place like that. And this one is going to be something similar to that too, with this plate right here. All right. So this way here, like I said, you come in here, you want to take a shower. This will be off. So when you turn this one on, that shower head will come on only. If you want to use the rain shower, turn off the tiny little valve up here, and then it sends that pressure back down up to this valve right here, and then you open this one, and then you'll have the rain shower coming down. And the same thing. So when you're done, you just shut that off and turn that one off, and that's it. They have systems that will be able to do that. It's actually made for it. It comes with both. This, like a 2-valve system where it operates both. But since you already had this in place already, this is the other option. You can do it by isolating it that way. All right. Well, there you go, guys. Yet another bathroom remodel project. And this was basically on rough plumbing, how to rough your plumbing when you don't have nothing. Like I said, this one here didn't have nothing coming into it except the old one. But I came over here and I tapped from here, ran it all the way across, came over here. Now I have supply for 2 sinks, because here it's a 2 vanity, 2 sink side. Because you can see it's pretty big, for 2 people. Come in here and be able to use it at the same time. As always, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and click the bell button for more and upcoming videos. All right, guys, and thanks. Also, almost forgot to mention, when you have a big gap like you do over here, always put a piece of like a backboard so you have somewhere for that sheetrock to screw into. Because if not, it can actually cause like a little wave into it later on. Same thing on this side. See, they put a big gap. They didn't put no more studs in the middle. So I put this piece over here so that when I put that sheetrock up there, it has something to nail to. Yeah, I mean, I could put a piece going across halfway, which I might still end up doing, just to provide another screwing surface in the middle to be more secure. But there you go. How to rough plumb bathroom that, you know, doesn't have plumbing coming to it. And this was like the least cost effective way of doing it. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye.